TVCMALL review. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're taking a look at TVCMALL. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now you can find the link to the website below. You can also sign up using that link. You'll also find some promo codes and coupon codes that you can apply on your checkout page to save a bunch of money. So let's get into it. TVCMALL is one of the best mobile accessory wholesalers out there. This website is basically a wholesaler website. You can buy individual pieces as well if you want, but you're mostly targeted to wholesalers, so you can buy it in bulk and sell it online with a markup so that you can make your own profit, like a drop shipping business or whatnot. They mostly sell cell phone accessories and other stuff as well, but they also have the stuff as well, like digital cameras, live streaming equipment. They've got smart homes, smartwatches, laptop bags, VCRs, smartwatches, and wireless routers. Apparently they have a bunch of stuff. You can go ahead and buy whichever one you want. So for example, if I wanted to buy let's say a screen protector, right? So I come over here onto the top, go to Apple accessories and select the latest one, right? Let's go with the 17 Pro Max, and then hit this accessory button, click on it, and then all you got to do is just simply select the product you want. Let's say I want this case, right? Or actually we'll go with something simple, this one right here. It'll open up, and here you can go ahead and purchase this right here. You can buy 1, 2, 10, 30, 40, 150, and if you want more prices, click over here and you can select the type you want and basically drag and drop a screenshot of the file, and you're good to go. They'll create a custom one for you, and then they'll tell you a customized price. And it's as simple as that. Then you can add it over here or buy it now and add the discount codes that you can find in the description below, and there you go. It's as simple as that. So thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.